In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video duration in Canva. When you're working on a video project in Canva, getting the timing right is really important. Maybe you want your clip to match a voiceover, sync with music, or just be a bit shorter and snappier. The good news is that Canva makes adjusting video duration very simple, and you can do it directly on your design page without any complicated tools. First, make sure you have your Canva project open with a video already added to your design. This could be a video you uploaded yourself or a stock video from Canva's library. Once you've placed the video on your page, click on it so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around the video. Now, look toward the top of the Canva editor. When your video is selected, you'll see an option that shows the current duration of the clip, usually displayed in seconds. Click on this duration label. This is where you can control exactly how long your video will play. After clicking on the duration, a small panel or box will appear, allowing you to adjust the length. Here, you can either type in a new duration or use the available controls to increase or decrease the time. As you adjust, Canva will update the timing so the video matches the new duration you've chosen. If your original video is longer than the duration you set, Canva will effectively trim the clip to fit that time. If you make the duration longer than the original clip, Canva may loop or extend it depending on the content and settings, so always play it back to make sure it looks the way you want. Once you have adjusted the duration, press play in the preview area to review your changes. This is an important step. Watch the video from start to finish and check that it aligns with any text, images, or audio you've included in your design. If it's still not quite right, simply click on the duration again and fine-tune it until you're happy. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the duration above your selected video and adjusting it, you can quickly control the timing of your clips in Canva and create a smoother, more polished final video.